up fams, Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just nations in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to the brand Niko Twobirds and this track is called Energy. I'm not sure what Nash he is and whereabouts he's from. I guess we'll find out in the clip. If you're new to our channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified when we upload videos for you guys. I sound like those terms and conditions, eh? But yeah, fams, don't forget fams, PolyMovement, Poly businesses, don't forget to check out Doko PolyMovement on Facebook and Instagram. They sell their merch. They're also like a versatile group. They're three brothers, two Samoans, one Tongan brother. They do DJing, videography, and they do printing and stuff there as well if you guys want to check them out. Very versatile group. They come in other colors, but we only got the navy blue t-shirts. But yeah.
And they go up to size 8XL.
Yeah.
You just gotta DM them and ask.
And we know, trust me. We've ordered
that. We need to order bigger sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you to those that requested, and let's get into the track. Oh,
I like that. Nice.
oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I got that energy. You're my enemies, follow me. You're my haters, a part of me. This is part of the recipe. Mentally jealousy makes me wanna fire my specialty. No, I'm feeling no empathy. Yes, I'm feeling complexity.
Ah, dang, I was hoping it would drop with a more bang, you know what I mean? Like I was hoping like the beat would be like boom.
The song's not finished yet.
Oh, but yeah.
I feel like it's gonna go hard, you know, the next verse.
Yes, I'm feeling complexity. Got that energy. You're my enemies, follow me. You're my haters, a part of me. This is part of the recipe. Mentally jealousy makes me wanna fire my specialty. No, I'm feeling no empathy. Yes, I'm feeling complexity. Don't you bring me nothing silly. I'm about to make this heavy, know that I'm about to double tap anybody that be down to be coming up against me. Now watch me rip it up while I'm tipsy all around the table. There's plenty. You got Barona, JDs, hot bottles, I see. Jim Beam, straight no sleep, and we sipping bottle with the bottle. Let's see who really follow at the end of the night. Who's missing? Little be the man to count. Who be the one whipping out to find me now? Really feeling the rhythm and mirror sound. Probably thinking I'm going all out. No.
We smoked bomb quite a lot. Man, I like the chorus.
Speak for yourself.
I like the chorus where he was saying something about haters, but they're part of the recipe type of thing. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's just, I guess, I don't know if he was referencing like as in that comes with life. Like, you know what I mean? Sort of like drives you. Yeah.
Like I almost feel like it's, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. It almost feels like, say, in music, the higher you get up there, the more hate you get.
And
like
they're pushing you up there because, you know, they're spreading that sort of hate and making other people know you. Oh, who's this guy talking about? You know?
You think I'm going all out? Nope.
My passion, more rapping. Give me more when the rap more challenge. No talk, keep calm. Now watch me play your back. When I hit that and then I spit that, then everybody really wanna know like who the hell is who. Maybe who the hell like you. I got that energy. You're my enemies, follow me. You're my haters, a part of me. This is part of the recipe. Mentally jealousy makes me wanna fire my specialty. No, I'm feeling no empathy. Yes, I'm feeling complexity. Got that energy. You're my enemies, follow me. You're my haters, a part of me. This is part of the recipe. Mentally jealousy makes me wanna fire my specialty. No, I'm feeling no empathy.
I've been seeing that merch, the AF and shirt, and it looks really interesting. I've been looking at their tights, and I really like their tights.
Whoever did the editing, I like it.
Yeah, even the sound in the background there, the swoosh.
Goosebumps.
It's like the slow motion showing the shirts. Rest in peace to Niko. Yeah. Damn.
Hey.
I really like it. Even like, yeah, this visual is different, like in terms of lighting and scenery and stuff like that type of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but
I don't know. I'm liking it. It's not only the beat, but that song, you know, the tune. Yeah, and it makes you want to go
like suspense type of thing, yeah.
I'm feeling no empathy. Yes, I'm feeling complexity. No doubt I scout for a better cloud. Just mucking around for the love and amount. Really loving the way that I can handle the heat. But the question is, do you get what I mean? Can you keep up when I rap out? It's clear enough for you to catch up. Do I really need to slow it down? Hold up, wait a minute, really don't give a damn about it. Non-stop, get it. Like keeping it coming in the middle of the rhythm and never do ask me how I did it. Let's go. Oh no. Did I get everybody's attention? Did I get all eyes objection? Reverse your wise, I'm guessing. I'm pressured, I'm nervous. Not bad. Now watch me play your back. When I hit that and then I spit that.
I like
then
this.
everybody really wanna know like who the hell is who? Maybe who the hell like you? I got that energy. You're my enemies, follow me. You're my haters, a part of me. This is part of the recipe. Mentally jealousy makes me wanna fire my specialty. No, I'm feeling no empathy. Yes, I'm feeling complexity. Got that energy. You're my enemies, follow me. You're my haters, a part of me. This is part of the recipe. Mentally jealousy makes me wanna fire my specialty. No, I'm feeling no empathy. Yes, I'm feeling complexity. Yeah.
It is. I'm sure we reacted to this song before. Can I click on it? This one.
It is Niko. Oh, it's Niko.
He doesn't look like it.
Left sack, right sack.
Oh my gosh. He looks so different.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Doesn't look familiar. So he's in Brisbane.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so obviously he's changed his name, but he looks so different, hence why we didn't think it was the Niko that we'd reacted to from Logan City, obviously, who was from Flatbush. Damn.
Wow.
What the hell? I'm so like shook. He looks so different. And I feel like he sounds different.
This
This is totally different from what he did before.
I got goosebumps for my wife.
Damn, I mean, B doesn't like much, but she likes this one, that's for sure. Man,
I don't know what it is.
Oh, lady.
I said, it's, I don't know what it is. I really like it. It's the beat and the tune that goes with that beat and his style of rapping.
Yeah, and the
He's
clip
not,
makes it really good. Yeah, he's not too...
His flow just goes, but he's not being intimidating, but the visuals.
Yeah, the visuals
help.
make it. Yeah, the visuals definitely help with that look. But even with the visuals, like he still doesn't look intimidating too much. Like the calm.
Like he can't. Can't
like
be
he's
full
just
storm.
like.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm not gonna show you too much because you know when you get this whap, you know. You know what I mean? It's gonna be unexpected. So what do you think about the track?
Oh, right now I'm thinking I'm over this lockdown with you. Someone come get her.
But anyways, what do you think about this song?
I think I love this. I love this.
What about it makes you really like it?
I don't know, just the vibe that comes from it is, you know, almost humble, but you know, calm before the storm. Don't push me. Like he's out there to prove things that he can do it.
100%.
This is totally different from the last one. The last one was really abrupt and came at you. It was nice, but this is...
Yeah, I really like this. This is like a change in, like the visuals are really nice. It was different seeing that type of smoke effect type of thing. I really liked it.
It's not like how normally the rap that you're hearing, the drill, where you know it really comes at you. This one does come at you, but it's just calm.
Yeah, I really like this. It's not too
I'm
bad.
impressed.
Yeah, like he had a lot of down parts and you know in the song, like he wasn't going too hard. Like there'll be bits where he will go fast and then he'll slow down, you know. Like it's nice that he kept it that way. He kept it like an even balance. Like sometimes like listening to too much of that fast is like, oh, it's like a bit too much sometimes. But that's like for me, that's my personal preference. Like it gets too much sometimes. But I really like
he had it.
Yeah, he
down
had
up.
yeah, he had an even go with the two types of flows he did. But yeah, I really like it. I like the visuals, love the beat and everything. I really like it, bro. Mad track.
I'm definitely adding this to my work playlist.
What, anything else?
I don't know, I'm just like speechless.
But yeah, fams, you guys know the go. Please check out official Niko Twobirds on YouTube, and please subscribe to his channel, get his subscribers up, get his views up as well. But yeah, show him some love please fams. Follow his socials, we'll have everything in the description box below, along with our poly business, the PolyMovement, we'll have their socials too if you guys want to check them out and get you guys some gear. But yeah, other than that, much love, stay safe, and see you on the next video. Bye.